Elephant calves, majestic miniatures. Enter the heart of the savannah with elephant calves, the majestic miniatures that embody the grandeur of their giant relatives. Despite their diminutive size, these little elephants radiate a sense of awe with their playful antics and endearing trumpets. Picture their tiny trunks exploring the world around them, creating a spectacle of cuteness against the vast landscape. 12. Ducklings, quacktastic marvels. Quack into the world of joy with ducklings, the quacktastic marvels that bring a splash of cuteness to ponds and lakes. With their fluffy down and adorable quacks, these little waterfowl create a symphony of delight. Imagine them waddling in a row, their webbed feet leaving tiny ripples in the water, turning every aquatic adventure into a quacktastic spectacle. 13. Cheetah cubs, speedy charms and training. Race into the African plains with cheetah cubs, the speedy charms and training that captivate with their spots and boundless energy. Despite their future as the fastest land animals, these little cheetahs showcase a playful side. Picture their lightning-fast sprints and agile tumbles, creating a whirlwind of cuteness on the sun-drenched savannah. 14. Seal pups, oceanic odes of cuteness. Dive into the oceanic odes of cuteness with seal pups, the adorable wonders that grace the shores with their playful flips and soulful eyes. Their fluffy coats and aquatic acrobatics redefine the charm of marine life. Picture them basking in the sun, their whiskers twitching in contentment, creating a seaside serenade of cuteness. 15. Panda cubs, bamboo babies. Conclude our adorable journey with panda cubs, the bamboo babies that enchant with their black and white fur and roly-poly antics. These little pandas redefine the charm of the bamboo forests in China. Imagine them clumsily climbing trees and munching on bamboo shoots, creating a panda paradise of cuteness. 16. Meerkat pups, desert dazzlers. Enter the arid landscapes with meerkat pups, the desert dazzlers that bring a dash of charm to the vast stretches of sand. With their curious eyes and tiny stature, these little meerkats redefine the meaning of cuteness. Picture them standing on their hind legs, keeping a watchful eye on the horizon, and you'll find yourself enchanted by their endearing presence. 17. Duck-billed platypus babies, aquatic oddities. Dive into the world of aquatic oddities with duck-billed platypus babies, the mesmerizing marvels that blur the lines between mammals and monotremes. With their webbed feet and unique bills, these little platypuses redefine the charm of Australian waterways. Imagine them gliding through the water with effortless grace, creating an underwater ballet of cuteness. 18. Polar bear cubs, Arctic royalty in miniature. Brave the icy realms with polar bear cubs, the Arctic royalty in miniature that embody the strength and sweetness of the frozen tundra. Despite their future as powerful predators, these little polar bears showcase a playful side. Picture them rolling in the snow and nuzzling against their mother, creating a winter wonderland of cuteness against the backdrop of icy landscapes. 19. Hedgehog hoglets, spiky sweethearts. Roll into the enchanting world of hedgehog hoglets, the spiky sweethearts that redefine the charm of nocturnal cuteness. With their tiny snouts and endearing squeaks, these little hedgehogs create a symphony of delight in gardens and hedgerows. Imagine them curling into tiny balls or sniffing around for insects, turning every nocturnal escapade into a hedgehog serenade of cuteness. 20. Chimpanzee infants, jungle jesters. Conclude our adorable journey with chimpanzee infants, the jungle jesters that bring laughter and joy to the heart of the rainforest. With their mischievous antics and expressive faces, these little chimpanzees redefine the charm of primate cuteness. Picture them swinging from vines and playing in the treetops, creating a lively spectacle of cuteness amidst the lush greenery. 21. Red fox kits, forest fantasia. Step into the enchanting world of forests with red fox kits, the forest fantasia that captivates with their rust-colored fur and playful escapades. With boundless energy and curious eyes, these little foxes redefine the charm of woodland cuteness. Picture them pouncing through the underbrush and learning the ways of the forest, creating a symphony of joy amidst the trees. 22. Baby elephants, gentle giants in training. Return to the savannas with baby elephants, the gentle giants in training that embody the spirit of family and community. Despite their sizable future, these little elephants showcase a playful side. Picture them dusting themselves with sand, or mimicking the trunk movements of their elders, creating a spectacle of cuteness against the vast backdrop of the African plains. 23. Dolphin calves, oceanic elegance. Dive into the oceanic depths with dolphin calves, the oceanic elegance that mesmerizes with their acrobatics and intelligence. With sleek bodies and playful clicks, these little dolphins redefine the charm of marine life. Imagine them leaping through the waves and twirling in the sea, creating an underwater ballet of cuteness. 24. Owl owlets, nocturnal charmers. Enter the world of the night with owlets, the nocturnal charmers that bring wisdom and cuteness to the darkness. With their big eyes and fluffy feathers, these little owls create a magical atmosphere. Picture them huddled together in a cozy nest, or taking their first flights under the moonlit sky, turning every nocturnal moment into an owl serenade of cuteness. 25. Kangaroo joeys, outback wonders. Hop into the Australian outback with kangaroo joeys, the outback wonders that redefine the charm of marsupial cuteness. With their pouch-bound journeys and curious stares, these little kangaroos create a lively spectacle. Picture them hopping across the open landscapes or peering out from their mother's pouch, creating an outback symphony of cuteness. 26. Bear cubs, alpine playmates. Ascend into the alpine realms with bear cubs, the alpine playmates that embody the joy of snowy landscapes. Despite their future as formidable predators, these little bears showcase a frolicsome spirit. Picture them rolling in the snow or tumbling down slopes, creating a winter wonderland of cuteness against the majestic backdrop of mountains. 27. Seahorse fry, aquatic wonders in miniature. Delve into the mysteries of the ocean with seahorse fry, the aquatic wonders in miniature that redefine the charm of underwater cuteness. With their tiny bodies and intricate dances, these little seahorses create a mesmerizing spectacle. Picture them holding onto seagrasses or floating with gentle grace, turning every aquatic moment into a seahorse ballet of cuteness. 28. Penguin chicks, Antarctic princes and princesses. Waddle into the frosty embrace of the Antarctic with penguin chicks, the tuxedo-clad royalty of the southern hemisphere. These fluffy little ones, with their awkward yet endearing waddles, redefine the charm of icy landscapes. Witness their playful interactions and adorable attempts at sliding on the ice, creating a winter wonderland of cuteness. 29. Sloth babies, arboreal angels. Climb into the treetops of the rainforest to discover sloth babies, the arboreal angels that redefine the pace of cuteness. With their slow and deliberate movements, these tiny sloths showcase a different kind of charm. Picture their fuzzy faces and gentle embraces as they cling to branches, turning the rainforest canopy into a haven of tranquility. 30. Tiger cubs, jungle royalty in miniature. Roar into the heart of the jungle with tiger cubs, the miniature embodiments of jungle royalty. Striped and fierce, yet undeniably adorable, these little tigers bring a touch of wild charm. Imagine their playful pounces and curious gazes as they explore their surroundings, embodying the spirit of the untamed wilderness. Join Animal Heaven in this whimsical journey as we explore the magic and charm of these additional wonders. Subscribe, like, and share the love as we continue to unveil the delightful secrets of the animal kingdom. #Animal Heaven Cutest by Animals, Whimsical Wonders.